Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I don't know what's in here. It was sent to me by a gentleman named Russell. So Russell, thank you very much for sending this in. And thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for my Patreon right down in the description. Please, that was a weird transition. Let's try that again. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Really like those new cards. Okay. Here? Yeah.
Knife reviewer doesn't even know how to get into a box. Use a dull scalpel.
Yeah, you're the first person to ever say that. Smart. Good joke. It's weird. It's weird that I keep doing it. It's almost like it's intentional. That couldn't be the case, though, because I definitely don't joke around. Alrighty. Whoop. Let's make sure. Wait a minute. Oh, hold. Oh, my gosh. Russell. Gosh, I'm so dumb. This is Russell from Artisan Cutlery. Excellent human being, by the way. So this is, hold on, get through the Fort Knox packaging here. Yeah, so what we have here is an Artisan Cutlery, but I think it is, if I remember correctly, come on now. I think this is a fixed blade. As he pulls it out, and it's definitely a fixed blade. All right. Yeah, so people always ask me, when are you going to do more fixed blade reviews? It takes a certain fixed blade to get me to want to do it. So the reason that I thought that this was cool is because it's a smaller EDC size fixed blade. Who's this made by? Let's take a look. Well, there's the designer right there at the top, right? You can see that. AR RPM 9 on this guy. This is not going to be an expensive knife. What is this called? It's called I don't have the thing, so I don't know what it's called. Wait, no, it's right here. I sure hope it is. Oh, wait, the Sea Snake. There it is right here, right? Sea Snake, there you go. So, I will link this guy right down in the description so that you guys can check it out if you want to. I'll also link Artisan Cutlery knives in general and CJRB knives. Mike Emler. Is it Emler or Emler? I think it's Emler. Okay. And I talked with him on Instagram as well. This is really cool. I like fixed blades. I think fixed blades are cool. I'm just like a large, even a medium-sized fixed blade. I don't generally have a use for that size of knife in my everyday life. But small fixed blades with an emphasis on ergonomic lines, especially ones with sort of a Wharncliffe blade, those are very appealing to me because I actually can carry these. And I will, because they end up being close to the size of a pocket knife or a folding knife. So this is something that I wouldn't mind carrying around. It is plenty lightweight. In fact, I'll weigh it. This is another one of those videos where the audio quality isn't perfect. I know, I'm sorry. The adapter for my external mic is coming in. It'll be soon. You guys are probably watching this way in the future anyway. So, oh boy. Okay, so with the, this is not a review, by the way. This is just an unboxing and first impressions. We'll get the review a couple of weeks down the road. So, with the sheath, 3 ounces, right? Without the sheath, 2.33 ounces. Yeah, that's my kind of fixed blade. That's something. Now, it's not saying that I don't like large fixed blades. It's just when it comes to fixed blades I'm actually going to use, stuff like this makes sense. And boy, the ergos are really, really comfy on this guy. You can absolutely choke up in that forward choil. Nice large size. We got some jimping up here, not super aggressive. Nice contour G10 scales. This looks great. Again, something I appreciate is when they sort of shadow box that you can see here, the liners are just slightly above the scale. That's on purpose. It's the same on both sides. Give you guys a close-up there of that so you can see exactly how they did that, and they knocked those down a bit. That's really nice. Nice satin finish on there. Some nice, I'm going to guess that's T8. My camera wanting to, there we go. Can we get a nice close-up of that? There we go. Wonderful. That's very cool. This is the type of fixed blade that I'm interested in reviewing. So far, I do like this. I think this is nice. And it kind of makes me want to keep it and use it. If you don't know, stuff that's sent to me oftentimes by manufacturers, it usually gets given away at some point. But this is I don't have an EDC size fixed blade in my current collection, so maybe I don't know. I'm gonna mess around with this, carry it a bit, get my thoughts, and then like I said, 2 weeks down the road, you guys will get a full comprehensive review. For today, though, I think that's going to be pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found it at least mildly entertaining. Let's get that sheath out there. That looks good. I'm not sure what to do with this. Okay. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like if you'd like to check out my other content. I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.